Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Molecular Makeup. It's your favorite chemist Ashley here, and today I'm so excited because I'm reviewing Tati's Halo Kiwi vitamins, and I took these vitamins for 3 months, and I'm going to be showing you my before and after results both with and without makeup and also under a microscope. And I really hope you stick around to see the before and after results because it's truly remarkable the changes that occurred in my skin, so I'm really excited to show you guys the results. So I'm a chemist and I wanted to look at this trial of taking Halo Kiwi as an experiment. I'm always thinking about variables that can affect the outcome of an experiment, and I want to control for these variables. So that's what I did for Halo Kiwi. So I felt like there were 2 variables that I could control for, and that was my skincare routine and my diet. So for my skincare routine, I kept it very simple, and I just washed my face and moisturized my face every morning and night using the same products. I did this for the month leading up to taking Halo Kiwi and for the 3 months that I've taken Halo Kiwi so far. And the second thing I controlled for was my diet, so I didn't make any changes to my diet or my skincare during the course of taking Halo Kiwi because I didn't want any external factors to affect my skin improvements. I just wanted to purely see what is Halo Kiwi contributing to improvements in my skin. So as a chemist, I'm also very interested in the ingredients that make up my cosmetics and skincare, and in this case the supplements. So I also researched all the ingredients before I started taking this supplement, and I was very impressed with the amount of research that's been conducted on these ingredients to support the skin benefits. So I'll link all the scientific articles that I referenced below. I don't want that to be the focus of this video. I'm just going to keep the ingredient overview very brief and short here and just say that I was able to group the ingredients into 4 main categories for skin benefits. And those categories were anti-inflammatory, promotes collagen production, prevents water loss, and protects against photoaging. That's all I'm going to say about the ingredients in this video. If you'd like me to make a video where I go into detail about all the studies that have been conducted for each of these ingredients, please let me know and I'd be happy to do that. But I'll have all the references linked down below if you want to check it out yourself. Okay, so once I had reviewed the ingredients and I had planned out my experiment with the controlled variables, it was time for me to start taking Halo Kiwi. So I'm going to show you on the screen now my before shot, and this is with no face makeup on. I did have eye makeup because I was very self-conscious about my skin, and this was the first video that I filmed it all for YouTube, so I just thought I would feel more confident and comfortable if I had eye makeup on, but I have no face products of any kind. I'd only washed my face, no moisturizer, no makeup, no products on my face at all. As you can see, my skin was very inflamed, very red and discolored and uneven. So now I'm going to show you the after shot. Okay, so this is honestly the 3rd time I've filmed this video because I keep getting really emotional at this point because I just can't believe the change that occurred in my skin and how the inflammation was reduced so much over the course of taking this vitamin. You can see here that my skin no longer looks really red. The redness has improved so much, and I can't tell you how much that means to me because now I feel confident and comfortable without makeup, without face makeup on, so that is really huge for me. The other aspect of my skin that I feel like this vitamin really improved was dryness. I don't feel like you can see that as well in the before and after shots without makeup, but now I'm going to show you before and after shots with makeup. And you can see here's the before shot before starting Halo Kiwi. My skin looked really, I feel like it looked very dull and kind of lifeless and dry and patchy. Okay, so here is after taking Halo Kiwi for 3 months. And I just feel like it looks more full of life. I feel like it looks so much more hydrated. And I'm just so happy about that because my makeup I always had issues with my makeup adhering to dry patches and just looking really dull. I'm going to show you a brief clip here that I recorded on day 60 and this is after after wearing makeup all day for 12 hours. I'm going to play this clip for you right now because I think you can really see how happy and excited I was with how great my skin looked at the end of the day. So I'm going to play this for you and I'll be right back. It's day 60 of taking Halo Kiwi. Again, I'm just really impressed with how hydrated my skin looks. I'm just really happy because usually, or before taking the vitamin, it was so dry. It just looked so dry by the end of the day, and like the makeup just like adhering to all the dry patches and all the texture. Okay, so as you can see, I was so happy that my skin was so hydrated even after wearing makeup all day. Okay, so I do have one last before and after to show you, and that is under a microscope. And the first thing I noticed is all of the shiny glistening spots that you see in the after shot, and you hardly saw that at all in the before shot. I interpret that as oil production. If anyone is a dermatologist and can confirm that for me, please comment that below. But from what I read and from what I understand, I am interpreting those shiny glistening spots as increased oil production. I also noticed a lot less lines, and I feel like it looks a lot less red. So those are the things that I noticed. I still have clogged pores, so that's something I still need to work on. The other thing that I'm sure you can see in this video, I still have issues with texture in my skin. I think that Halo Kiwi helped with that some, but that's still the one aspect of my skin that I definitely want to see more improvements with, is the texture. And I personally think that the reason I'm still having these issues is because I cut out all skincare except for washing and moisturizing my face. I think I have the skin type that needs glycolic acid, which is a chemical exfoliant, and in the past I've used glycolic acid and it's definitely helps me with texture issues. So very soon I'm going to be posting a review of a drugstore glycolic acid treatment versus a high-end glycolic acid treatment and comparing the two. So if you want to see that, please subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss that. But honestly, the texture is the only thing that I still really want to see improvements with in my skin. I am so happy and so blown away with how much improvement there has been with the redness and with the dryness of my skin. It just truly shocks me every time I look at the before and after results. And as I mentioned before, I've had to I've had to refilm this video a couple of times because I kept getting like really emotional looking at the before and after results because I was so self-conscious and insecure about my skin before. And I really want to say thank you to Tati because this has had a really positive impact on me and my skin, and I really do feel just so much more confident and comfortable in my skin now, and I'm very comfortable to go out without face makeup on now. I just really can't express to you how happy I am with these results. I hope this video was helpful to you if you're considering trying Halo Kiwi for yourself. What I feel like I can personally speak to from taking Halo Kiwi is that it definitely helped with redness, inflammation, and dryness in my skin. If you're someone that has oily skin and acne-prone skin, I would suggest looking at reviews from other customers who have tried this product that have those types of issues, because I can't personally speak to it myself. But from what I've read in the articles, in the scientific articles about these ingredients, I definitely think that it would help with those issues as well. And I really feel like the results I saw from this were from Halo Kiwi because I really went to great lengths to control for my skincare and my diet as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to learn about the ingredients in your cosmetics and just see me review products and have fun with different makeup products. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.